Well, hello. We are getting close to Valentine's Day, and Valentine's Day had me thinking about, obviously, relationships. First and foremost, if you don't know who I am, my name is Arica Angelo, and I work with leaders, influencers with intimacy, people who are looking to change it up, who want to lead, who want to influence, but through intimacy, a different way where they're able to connect with the people that they're an influence with, who they're leading, who crows are crowing with. That's what I do. So I want to go into relationships, and this can help you if you're married, you are in a romantic relationship. This can help you with your family, maybe your parent, and maybe with your children. Maybe you're struggling with connecting with your children, or maybe you're just a person where you just struggle with connecting, period. I don't know if you have ever said this, but I have definitely said this, which is, don't fix me. I don't want to be fixed. Don't fix me. Like, even as I'm saying that, I'm sure you can feel the emotion behind it, how agitated I convey with just expressing, don't fix me. And the thing is most of the time, what is our natural response when someone's going through a hard time? We want to what? Fix them, right? It's like, what can I do? What can I say? Get happy, be positive. Like all of these things that we want to do to make the other person feel better. Because essentially, let's just be very honest, seeing them in pain causes us pain. And hey, who wants to sign up for pain? Sure, not me. So what do? Let's say you're a man and you come home from work and you've just had a really shitty day, and you begin to tell your wife about your day, and she begins to find the silver lining in everything. She turns to positivity. She tries to look the best case scenario. And somewhere inside, while you appreciate your wife trying to be there for you, you're just like, this is not what I was looking for. Or how many times do men hear from women? Like, she's sharing about her day, and then he's like, well, what you should do is this. She could be complaining about her friends or something like that. And as opposed to just hearing her out, he starts giving her advice on what she can do better with her friends. And she's just like, you just listen to me. What is the answer to this? When we're going through a hard time, when something frustrates us and we just want to talk it out, what do we really need from the other person? And what does the other person really need from us when they're in this time? Well, the answer is called holding space. You may have heard of this before, but what is that? I mean, it sounds so like, am I like holding the orbits? Like, what am I doing by holding space? Holding space means essentially just listening to a person and supporting them. And it's supporting them with your presence. See, holding space doesn't look like this. Yes, I hear you. No, that's not holding space. Holding space means that you're listening to them and that your presence is completely focused upon them, that you are giving them your undivided attention. Not just undivided attention, but undivided heart. It means like, hey, my heart is here to support you. I just recently found myself, I've shared before my own journey of going and seeing the therapist and learning, just getting comfortable with our emotions, and not so much the great ones, but the not so great ones. And as I've shared this with the people that are close to me, every now and then I still get that knee-jerk reaction where they want to fix me or they want to give good, solid advice. And I've learned to just stop them and say, listen, I'm okay with just being mad right now. I'm okay with just being sad right now. And I really don't need you to fix me. I really don't need your feedback. I just want to be heard. I want to be supported, and I want to be loved. And essentially, that's what your partner, your significant other is wanting from you as well. They're just wanting you to hold space, to say, hey, I support you. I'm with you in this. You don't have to do this alone. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. See you next time.